Forget waiting for your prince or princess charming. This custom home has all the luxury finishes you could dream of, plus acres of outdoor entertainment. Are you ready to find your enchanted kingdom that makes adults and children happy? Let's go explore together. This is 4617 Wilhoit Road. We are in the sweet southern town of Franklin, Tennessee, known for its green rolling hills and slower southern lifestyle. Nashville's downtown is just an easy 30 minutes away, and we are only 20 minutes from Franklin's historic town center. Welcome to this eye-catching southern farmhouse where adventure awaits. This 6,400 square foot, $3.75 million estate packs plenty of excitement with a 2-story indoor slide and impressive pool house. I have surprises around every corner that you'll just have to see for yourself. So sit back, relax, and let's explore together. Step through these elegant iron and glass entry doors into an inviting foyer full of natural light, soaring ceilings, and beautiful millwork. This custom-built home thoughtfully balances the perfect blend of sophistication and fun. From the entranceway, enjoy an uninterrupted panorama of both indoor and outdoor spaces so you and your guests can mingle while still absorbing every detail. Inside, you'll be delighted by graceful archways, handsomely constructed wooden beams, and thoughtful built-ins, which create a classic yet modern aesthetic. The kitchen is an inviting, entertaining space with a cozy banquette that can seat up to 10 guests and a dining table, which comfortably accommodates just as many diners. The dining area is transformed into the ultimate entertaining space with custom built-ins that double as a convenient serving station. Open up the windows to dine al fresco. The kitchen is luxurious with a stunning fusion of warm wood and crisp white marble, ready for any occasion from intimate gatherings to large-scale events. It boasts separate built-in refrigerator and freezer, an array of cabinets, including glass front china storage, as well as a coffee station, perfect for energizing your guests. There's also a 6-burner gas cooktop complete with double ovens and griddle, plus pot filler and integrated dishwasher. Antique doors lead into the catering space and pantry area, which offers ample room for you to feed even the largest party. Ready to experience something extraordinary? Let's take a look at the dazzling first floor bedrooms before taking off down the wild 2-story slide. The first downstairs guest bedroom is an enchanting escape with all the warm coziness of a woodsy retreat. Its black paneled ceiling resembles the night sky and provides ambiance that allows for tranquil productivity at the built-in desk. The plaid tile floor in the ensuite bath finishes off this delightful atmosphere. The neighboring bedroom is filled with natural light and overlooks the serene beauty of the pond. Built-in dressers surround the platform bed, perfect for cozy sleepovers. Pink fan tile brings a soft antique look to the ensuite bath, while the iconic clawfoot tub completes the look perfectly. On the far side of the fireplace, entering the primary suite, you are engulfed with soaring ceilings and light pouring in from the windows that open to your own private paradise. Step out to your screened-in porch to enjoy your morning cup of coffee. The ensuite bath lets you pamper yourself with modern amenities like an expansive walk-in shower, luxurious soaking tub, and marble-topped vanities. The dressing table offers one final touch for a day well prepared. Are you excited for a glimpse of the playful paradise? Let's go check it out. Let kids explore their wildest dreams here with features like an art station and built-in playhouse, complete with a kiddo library. All easily accessible by friendly stairs here or leading up from beside the kitchen. So come inside and start imagining. Sparks will fly in no time. At the top of the stairs, we find a loft space and 2 well-appointed guest bedrooms, connected with a massive marble-lined bathroom, complete with walk-in shower, double vanities, dressing table, and soaking tub. Now we can descend in style on the meandering slide for some fun before we venture out to explore the pool house. This 2-story pool house is a dream come true. Currently used as a schoolhouse and fitness center, the attached garage and private entrance are perfect for those summertime visitors or family members looking to have their own suite. While the window bench creates cozy seating moments, entertaining guests has been made all that much easier with the tasteful kitchenette just steps away from your outdoor oasis. An amazing opportunity awaits. All you need now is a little bit of sunshine. This outdoor paradise has been crafted with meticulous attention to detail. 2 expansive covered porches provide a shady retreat on hot summer days. Find luxury in the pool and spa, heated to perfection with the click of a button on your phone app. Beyond the pool lies a wealth of activities with fishing, playgrounds and tree houses, or perhaps endless days spent on your own private zip line. Let the little ones beat the heat with a trip to the splash pad. They can enjoy hours of outdoor entertainment while you relax, or join in the fun. Thank you for joining us here as we just explored the perfect combination of luxury and fun. From young to old, everyone can enjoy this magnificent kingdom. We'd like to thank agent and homeowners Eric and Katie Collinsworth for sharing their breathtaking home with us. Don't miss our upcoming monthly tour of Nashville's most exquisite estates. Subscribe now so you won't be left behind. Until then, stay tuned. Who knows what amazing discoveries await?